Yeah.
So, that's where you are now, which is an incredible progress
Hmm.
from when you were in the under 800, right?
Yeah.
Because 2000s is approaching master at 2200, right? So you've made significant progress over the last few years. And I was asking, is there something that really stands out to you as, let's say, a key moment that got you to make a breakthrough to that next level? Was it something mental, something you did, some focus, some strategy? Can you just share what to you was, let's say, how you made that jump?
Definitely learning ideas. Like what I mean by that is when I first started out, especially like maybe like a year and a half ago, I just played chess. I didn't really understand what I was supposed to do, and just slowly learning those ideas while also building up strategical and just better openings and end games and just
Mm-hmm.
better tactic visualization and stuff like that. Like I just feel like the most important thing is just learning what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
And I think once I started learning that, started learning the ideas and what I'm playing and like why I'm even playing it and like what does this even accomplish in the first place? That's when I really started improving.
At Chess for Life, we talk about 10 life skills or mindsets of success, like win, draw, learn, right? Always improve, can do attitude, better together, healthy habits, right? Respect, focus, sportsmanship, all these different life skills. If you were to think about those mindsets that you've encountered at different times, what one of those would you say most you relate to in terms of what you've learned from or applied in your life?
Definitely healthy habits. One of them is at school, getting homework done, just being more productive
Yeah.
and stuff like that. And a very big one as well as with chess, where I started playing more slow chess,
Yeah.
developing better just cognitive ability and just being like just taking my time more,
Yeah.
which not only helped chess but also helped with other stuff because I always like to rush things and get them out of the way. And I really took the time to actually focus on something and try to really do a good job.